Hello students, how are you? I think you all are well. I am also. This is SM Sharaful Islam, Assistant Teacher. Today I am going to take a class on English First Paper Class 9, Unit 5, Lesson 1. Let us start. At first, I invite you to enjoy a video clip. Look. Okay. What do you see in the video? River erosion. Yes, you are correct. Hundreds of houses, buildings and trees are broken down into the river. Next question for you. Have you heard something in the video? Yes, roaring. You have done well. Next question. How was the river? You? Yeah? Greedy. Oh, you are correct. 100% correct. Okay, dear student, our today's lesson is the greed of the roaring river. Aims and object. After the end of the lesson, the student will be able to ask and answer the question, comprehend and summarize the text. Before going to text, I discuss with you some new vocabulary. First one is, look, tremble. Pronounce with me. Tremble. Tremble. Do you know what is the meaning of tremble? Look the picture. Can you guess? Okay. I have made a sentence with tremble. When he came out of the water, he was trembling with cold. Can you guess? Okay. I am acting like a trembling. Ooh. Can you guess what is the meaning of tremble? Yes, you are correct. Tremble meaning to shake slightly, usually because you are cold, frightened or emotion. This word is verb. Next word, look, shattered. Shattered. Pronounce with me. Shattered. Now look at the picture. Can you guess what is shattered? Shattered? Okay. Make a sentence with shattered. Shattered glass lay all over the floor. Now can you guess what is the meaning of shattered? Yes, you are correct. Shattered meaning broken into very small pieces, like the piece of glass. Next one. Prompt. Look at the picture. Can you guess what is the meaning of prompt? Look, here is a sentence. The bishop's speech has prompted an angry response from the both political parties. Can you guess what is the meaning of prompt? Yes, you are correct. To make something happen. Okay, student. Now open your books. Unit 5, lesson on the greed of the roaring river. At first I read the text loudly and you follow with me. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Her polythene roofed shelter looks like a case. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some fallen leaves and spread to the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing of the flames reminds Meherjan of the turmoil in her life. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything: a family, cultivable land and cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna consumed gradually all her landed property. It finally changed her last shelter during the last monsoon. It took She River only a day to demolish Meher's house, trees, vegetable garden and the bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to diseases that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is only one left to live one with the loss and the pain. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. There are thousands others waiting to share the same fate with Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of river that affects its people. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river's banks. During each monsoon, many more villagers are threatened by the roaring of rivers like the Jamuna, the Padma and the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at last 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by climate change. If we can't take prompt action to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more Meherjan in our towns and villages every year. Okay, students, now I uttered some phrases and you tell me the closest meaning of the phrase. First one, roaring rivers. Yes, you are correct. The meaning of roaring rivers Rivers that flows strongly making wild sound. Next one. Landed property. Yes, you are correct. Property in the form a source of income to its owner. Next one. Whispering wind. What is the closest meaning of the whispering wind? Yes, you are correct. Winds that blows with a hissing sound. Hissing sound. Dancing of the flame. Yes, you are correct. A flame that is made unstable by the blast of air. Okay, test students. I think you have already read the text. Now I asked some questions and you answer. First one. What does Meherjan use to make fire for cooking her meals? Yes, you are correct. Meherjan uses fallen leaves and straw to make fire for cooking her meals. Second question. What property did Meherjan lose due to river erosion? Try. Yes. You are correct. Due to river erosion, Meherjan lost her cultivable land, cattle, trees, house, vegetables, garden and bamboo bush. Next one. What do you know about Meherjan family? Yes, you are correct. Meherjan had a happy family once. She lost her husband and her family due to disease. Okay, dear student, I am going to test a vocabulary to you. Look, there is a gafflings. First you read and there is some kulu, 10 kulus and 10 gaps. You fill the gaps properly. Meherjan is a typical dash woman who lives in slum. Can you guess what is the correct word to fill the first number? Yes, you are correct. Homeless. Meherjan is a typical homeless woman who lives in a slum. She lost her shelter and properties. Thus the erosion of river Jamuna. Yes, your answer is correct. Due to she lost her shelter and properties due to the erosion of river Jamuna. She also lost her family. Her husband had died of disease caused by poverty and dash. Can you guess? Okay. Storage of food. Next. Now, she is only a dash. Yes, you are correct. Now she is only a slum dweller. Like Meherjan, there are many people who have become the dash of river erosion. Yes? You have given correct answer. Victims. There are many people who have become the victim of river erosion. River erosion is still posing dash to the lives and properties of thousands of people. Can you guess what is the word to fill the gap? Yes? River erosion is still posing threat to the lives and properties of thousands of people. People living dash the rivers are the most likely victim of river erosion. Can you guess? Yes, you are correct. People living close to the rivers are the most likely victim of river erosion. Is here about yes, 1 lakh. You know everybody. Is every year 1 lakh people become homeless due to river erosion in Bangladesh. Meridian is just one, yes, you are correct, example of how climate change dash the lives of thousand people. One is left, so the last one is affects. You all have done well. I think you all are understand the topics. Now I ask some question to you. First one. Why did Madison take shelter? Yes, correct. Madison took shelter on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Next question. How was her polythene rope shelter? Yes, it is very easy question to you. Her polythene rope shelter looks like a case. Next one. What has shattered her dream and happiness? Yes, the greedy river Jamuna. Okay, dear students, you all are doing well. Now I give you a home task. Write paragraph on the greedy Jamuna. When your school will open, you show your English teacher and she or he will give you marks for continuous assessment. Thank you.